Hello there. Today in this video I will share how can you fix CJ dropshipping sold out issue. Okay, so here you can see my product is sold out. The product is imported from CJ dropshipping. Now I will fix the issue and I will show with you how can you fix for your store. So just watch with me. First of all, I need to check the setting and I need to go shipping and delivery. Here you can see general shipping rate, manage where you ship and how much you charge. We need to go here. Okay, so I'm going to here no shipping rates. Here you can see no shipping rates and there are no any shipping zone for CJ drop shipping. So as a result it's shown as stock out, okay, or sold out. So we need to set a shipping zone or a shipping rate. I'm going to set this one for United Kingdom and United States as I am selling here. Okay, so let me just put a name, new shipping. Okay, then I will click on done. I need to set the shipping charge. Okay, and I will create free shipping and it's free. Then done. I will click on save. From here you can see this one is my product and I'm clicking on refresh. So my product is available to purchase and everything is working fine. So this is the easy process. You can fix the issue, see the drop shipping product sold out. Okay, thank you for watching.